Okay, back up in your unit and look at the record.
Boy.
You've got 84th place from me. 25 George 120 Roger. Okay, so they're there anyway. 211 just at service.
Okay, cross traffic can be go through.
Cross traffic coming up.
Okay, only continues to the intersection. Put a bell.
Southbound ground from 84th place. Westbound through 84th place.
Oh! Go! Control, stand by, continue eastbound. Cross streets. Control, primary, continue. And, he's going to release the hybrid.
Driver just go southbound. 1436 your location.
Control, that suspect running southbound. It's going to be standby. We're just east of the main. We got sufficient units, got dark clothing. It's going to be running with officers in full pursuit. Hey, units arriving. Let's get one south of my light stage there. I got a suspect running eastbound through the houses here.
Suspect are running east of location. Units are east of main. And suspect dark clothing.
Gray jeans. Eastbound underneath my light. 877. Suspect southbound through the houses here. Hold your position there. And the first hybrid, he looks like he's going to bed down to a rear shed. So if you can get to the rear yard where my light is, I'll put you on it. We got.
Suspect is wearing a gray shirt, gray pants. Suspect is in the housing, possibly to the rear unit, hiding under.
Hey, Control, I still got the suspect on the move. Black and white south of my light is going to be coming your way, guys. So if you get to the rear yard or anybody on the street where he bailed from, I'll put you on him. Chris, if you got my light. I will. 140.
Samsung unit code 6 on a foot pursuit. Verify the code 6 location.
Control, stand by on that. We got officers making contact. Hey, officers in the rear yard. Do you have eyes on the suspect, yes or no?
Your airship not now. Holding the location that we're at right now, maybe inside this location.
Street just west of Main, and we'll confirm the code 4 as soon as they put it out.
So now one west of Main. Suspect is wearing gray shirt, gray pants. Factory 115, suspect 142.
So I want to have the driver take off.
Cycle 10 to the airship.
Cycle 10, go ahead.
So is this the only suspect, or do we have another one standing?
So I think I need to talk to the and can you set by one? Primary, you have simplex.
Yeah, Roger goes to the E36 round front, 120 last location.
Mr. Brothers, see like gray shirt, gray pants with a white t-shirt underneath. That's your driver, correct?
Roger.
25 George 115, I'm going to need a unit to secure my vehicle. 983. Bailed out.
25 George 115, verify the location of the vehicle to be secured.
Okay, roger that. So I just took
Two of the suspects bailed out, ma'am.
So we're good to go. There's no need for perimeter.
115 is requesting unit to secure its vehicle where the suspect bailed out of the code 37.
Good job. I'll put it on base well.
20, verify that location where the suspect was last seen. You received east of Main where the suspect bailed out. Verify the clock.
036, you have a message?
Code 36, a better location than 1 west of Main.
036, we're going to be at 140 West 83rd Street.
Units at 140 West 83rd Street, 25 George 115 requesting a unit to secure its vehicle.
336, units are secure.
Can we get a T-unit driver location, please? For TCNY.
Code 36 is requesting a T unit for TC involved 140 West 83rd.
Two together. You need help us?
Negative, so we're just trying to ascertain whether this is our only suspect if we have one more out.
Yeah, you got a female who bailed, and then possibly there's another passenger, but we don't driver as he went southbound. And basically, we're just trying to coordinate